Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a rugby pitch step by step. Step 1. Draw the field. To start, sketch 2 rectangles, one inside the other. The larger one represents the entire field, while the smaller is our playing area. Use a ruler to keep those lines straight. Step 2. Draw the in-goal area. Now, extend 2 vertical lines at both ends of the inner rectangle to mark the in-goal areas. Keep them straight and proportional to the playing area. Before we continue, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Also, check out the description section to learn about our products and services. Now let's move on to Step 3. Draw the 5-meter lines. Next, add the 5-meter lines on each side of the playing area. Draw 2 horizontal dashed lines, evenly spaced. These lines help indicate positions for lineouts. Step 4. Draw the halfway line and the 22-meter lines. Divide the field with the halfway line, a straight vertical line. Then mark significant territory with 22-meter lines on each side. Use a ruler to keep everything precise. Step 5. Draw the 10-meter lines. Draw 2 vertical dashed lines 10 meters from the halfway line on each side. These lines indicate scrum positions. Keep them parallel with the existing lines. Step 6. Draw the goalposts. Now, mark the goalposts at each end. Draw short horizontals on the goal line. Connect them vertically, creating an H shape. Ensure everything is straight with the help of your ruler. Taking your rugby pitch to the next level. Use green for the playing area, reddish-brown for in-goal. Experiment with different colors for a vibrant result. Remember, sketch lightly in pencil before using a pen or marker. Be creative with your scene and setting. Thank you for watching How to Draw a Rugby Pitch. We look forward to seeing you for more drawing inspiration in our upcoming videos.